The way that many people use AI, it's like hiring a chef to come to your house to chop your onions. Maybe that's why one of the partners at Y Combinator, the most important startup accelerator in the world, based in San Francisco, had this to say.
One thing I'd love to see more startups working on is the use of LLMs to automate complex back office processes in large enterprises. So for example, in a bank, you might have a customer service team answering loads and loads of queries from customers. And people are already working on automating that. But what lots of people don't realize is that there's a compliance team that's spot checking 1 in 100 of these conversations to make sure that things like complaints are handled appropriately or that financial advice isn't given if the agent isn't qualified. And that's done by a massive team of people who are going through reams and reams and reams of text. And it's a really good task for an LLM.
Okay, so now we're going to build a prompt designed to make a big impact in a space that you may not have thought of: industrial mining equipment. Let's stretch our minds a little bit and imagine new areas where prompt engineering can make a big business impact. Here's the case. Manufacturers of industrial equipment receive many warranty claims, and each of these claims can take a human lots of time to review. Let's use AI to make this system exponentially more efficient by designing a prompt that qualifies warranty coverage submissions for gearboxes in mining conveyance systems. Now, you don't need any prior experience in this area to understand what we're going to do with this prompt. Now, before we go on, I'll be using the Eazl prompt management app that I built as we build out this prompt. And you can access the prompt that we're going to build together at eazl.link/gearboxprompt. What we're doing can be done in any word processing system you like and with any AI system that you like. If you want to copy the text of the prompt, just click here and copy it to your clipboard.